if you are a wine lover or know someone who is a wine lover, you are absolutely going to love this electric wine set. It has everything you need. So right off the bat, we got the wine opener right over here. What I love about this, it turns blue. It adds a lot to it. And then we have the wine foil opener here. The cool part about this is you just take this off. You're gonna put this on top of your bottle right there, go like that, and it's gonna open the tab. I like the fact that it sticks onto the bottom of this. I have other ones that I have and it doesn't stick on the bottom and it's a separate piece and it's actually, to be honest, kind of annoying. Just really like that part a lot. The next part is the aerator right over here. So what you're gonna do is you're going to hook this up just really simply with this hose right here. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this on here just like that. And once you have that hooked up, you put this in your bottle of wine and it aerates it. So you just hit the top there, you'll put your wine here, and then when you're done, you just hit the top button right over here and it stops it, which is really nice. You get 2 wine stoppers as well. And then of course you get a charger. So if you're looking for a great wine set for yourself or a wine lover in your life, definitely check this out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I can do this for you.